Hello everyone, here's a short video showing you how to clear your Windows registry of VisualCAD CAM temporary registry settings to possibly clear up some user interface issues such as crashing or taking a long time to generate, things like that. This is just an option, not that it will fix everything in every case, but here is a quick steps on how to do it. So we're going to go to the Windows taskbar. On the search, we're going to type in REGEDIT, and you have to be system administrator to do this. Type in regedit, press enter, press OK to edit the registry, and we're going to go all the way up to the top, and we're going to go to H key current user. So if you collapse everything on the left, you'll see these folders on the left. Expand the H key current user, go down to software, and we're going to locate MecSoft Corporation under software, and we're going to look for the files that are under MecSoft Corporation. Now, obviously, I have a lot of folders here because I'm running a lot of MecSoft products, but you will probably just have a few. And what you're looking for is your VisualCAD CAM 2021 folder. Okay, so you got one for VisualCAM and you got one for VisualCAD. So you can, if you want to reset everything back to the factory defaults, to when you first installed the product, you can delete both of these. We'll delete VisualCAD, pick OK, and then we'll delete VisualCAM, pick OK, pick OK. Now, once that is done, just close the registry editor and reload the product. And you'll see that the product displays in the default user interface. Everything is the default settings to when you first installed the product. Thank you. Hope this helped. Bye.